the not-so-secret world of what makes women tick. But forget cheesy pickup lines and manipulation tactics. We're talking about genuine connection, the kind that sparks butterflies and builds lasting relationships. Ditch the weak points idea. Let's ditch the whole weak points angle. Women are strong, complex beings, not puzzles to be solved. Instead, let's explore 5 desires most women crave in a partner. 1. Be a good listener. Truly listen to her. Not just waiting for your turn to speak, but pay attention, ask questions, and show you care about her world. This is a superpower in any relationship. 2. Make her feel safe and supported. We all want someone who has our back, who cheers us on and catches us when we fall. Be her rock, her confidant, the person she knows she can rely on. 3. Embrace her uniqueness. Every woman is one of a kind. Celebrate her quirks, her passions, and what makes her shine. Don't try to mold her into someone she's not. 4. Be confident but not controlling. Confidence is attractive, but don't confuse it with being domineering. Let her be her own person, have her own opinions, and respect her boundaries. 5. Communicate openly and honestly. Communication is key. Share your thoughts and feelings openly and be receptive to hers. Don't play games. Straightforward honesty builds trust and connection. Become her obsession, the right way. Here's the thing. When you fulfill these desires, you become her obsession in the best way possible. You become the person who makes her feel seen, supported, and truly loved for who she is.